Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are learning about appendicular skeleton. So this appendicular skeleton includes the skeletal elements within the limbs as well as supporting pectoral and the pelvic girdles. So complete among 206 bones, 126 bones comprises the appendicular skeleton and is involved in the locomotion and manipulation of the objects in the environment. The bones of the skeleton are divided into two groups, the bones that are located within the limbs themselves and the girdle bones. So, within the limbs as well as in the girdle region. So, these are present. So, they will attach limbs to the axial skeleton. The bones of the pectoral girdle anchor the upper limb to the thoracic cage of the axial skeleton. And the pelvic girdle is formed by the single bone and serves as attachment point for each lower limb. So pectoral and the pelvic girdles will comprise upper part and the lower part. So the pectoral, the appendicular skeleton is divided into six major regions. The pectoral girdle consists of four bones, the left and right clavicle and the scapula. The upper arms and the forearms are made up of six bones. The left and right humerus, that is upper arm 2 and ulna and the radius. So here you can see the clavicle and the scapula, and the hands have 54 bones actually. The left carpals, metacarpals, so phalanges, digits, so completely intermediate phalanges. So these all comes under the hand bones. So here you can see all the radius, ulna, and sorry, ulna as well as phalanges, metacarpals. So all the things here we can see along with the digits. So carpals completely present in the limbs. So the pelvis has two bones, the left and right hip bone. The thighs and legs have the 8 bones. So the left and right femur, patella, that is the knee bone, tibia and the fibula. Leg bones too. The feet and ankles have the 52 bones, the left and right tarsals, metatarsals, proximal phalanges, intermediate ones and distal phalanges. So here you can see femur, patella, tibia, tibia, yeah, and fibula. So all those things are present in the body, metacarpals, metatarsals and carpals, everything in this diagram. So distal ones, digits, completely the feet and ankle have the 52 bones. So completely they are 52 bones. So next coming to the pectoral girdle. The bones of the pectoral girdle consist of two bones, that is scapula and the clavicle, and anchor the upper limb to the thoracic cage of the axial region. So here axial skeleton they will bind. So the three regions of the upper limb are arm, that is humerus, forearm, ulna, medially and radius laterally, in the hand. So the base of the hand consists of the 8 bones. So here you can see the pectoral girdle upper region from the rib cage to the limb regions, forearms. So completely so those 8 bones are in the carpal, and palm is formed by 5 bones actually, metacarpal bones. The fingers and thumb contains a total of 14 bones called as the phalanges. Whereas the pelvic girdle is formed by a single bone, the hip or the coxal bone, and serves as attachment point for each lower limb. So here you can see the coxa region. So single bone. So it will later each hip bone is joined to the axial skeleton by its attachment to the sacrum of the vertebral column. The right and left hip bones attach to each other anteriorly. The lower limb contains 30 bones and is divided into 3 regions: thigh, leg and the foot. So these are called as femur, patella, tibia and fibula, tarsal bones, metatarsal bones and the phalanges. The femur is a single bone of the thigh, which is the largest bone in the body, and patella, that is a kneecap, articulars with the distal femur. The tibia is located on the medial side of the leg, and fibula is a thin bone of the lateral leg. The bones of foot are divided into 3 groups: tarsal, metatarsal and the phalanges. So completely you can see the all the skeletal, complete skeletal system. So cranium, that is the skull and the facial bones, and later pelvic and the pectoral girdles with the hyoid bone, clavicle, scapula, sternum, rib cage, vertebral column with the carpals and metacarpals, and in the leg region, lower limb region, so tarsals, femur, patella. So all these you can see in this diagram. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like it and share the video if you like it. Thank you so much.